Another important topic of the Mohammedan law is the marriage. In this, the nature and essentials of a Muslim marriage. So, what are the importance of a marriage? The question is asked on this topic. According to the Mohammedan law, marriage means nikah is a civil contract, the object whereof is to legalize the sexual intercourse and the procreation of a children. So, it is like a civil contract. Marriage is recognized in Islam as the basis of society. It is no doubt a contract, but it is also a sacred covenant. To constitute valid marriage, no formality is required, not is any the religious ceremony necessary. Means in this Muslim marriages there is a no, to become a valid marriage there is a no formality. Specific formality is not prescribed in their marriages. The parties must be of a sound mind and they must not be within the prohibited degrees of relationship. Lunatics and minors who have not attained the age of puberty may be validly contracted in a marriage by their respective guardians. Means with the help of their guardians, the lunatics and minors can be married. Then the age of puberty is the completion of the 15th year, means 15 years old is considered as the age of puberty in Muslim. The marriage is not valid unless a legal guardian has consented if the boy or a girl who has not attained the age of puberty. Means the boy or the girl must have attained the age of puberty, and if they are not, then there must be a guardian, otherwise the marriage will be considered as invalid.